3 or 5 rounds for this. To get this and pants, and you gotta turn it to matte or whatever it is called, I think. Turn it all black until the very last preview and that white. And I'm sorry for the people who don't have VIP. And then you're gonna have to get that heart dress. It's really wet, so it's not as big as a heart. Turn that red, then texture, and then metallic texture, and then you gotta get the colour for your skin for the second preview. So it looks like the skin like that. But as I told you, it doesn't look really similar to the Queen of Hearts there. But oh my god, I lost again. This is the second time I've lost and I'm recording a video. Right, now you gotta get that. It covers the heart. Get the one in VIP. Again, I'm sorry if you don't have VIP, turn it to metallic. And it kind of looks like the Queen of Hearts sets. But you're not really missing out on anything if you don't have VIP, because it doesn't really look like it. But still, bye!